Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for attending on this presentation. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce ourselves. First one, my name is Muhammad Hanif as moderator and Muhammad Zakwan Noval as a leader. And our member is Shakila Aswaliyah, Khairunisa, Pradipta Ali Syahputra, and Juan Sahala Hutapea. The first point is a brief presentation related to the project undertaken by the group leader. Zakwan is invited to speak.
TickMe application is web-based platform designed to assist users in planning and organizing their shopping activity. In daily life, many people face challenge in organizing their shopping list and budget. This application will be used to input the shopping list so that it makes it easier for users to shop. This web-based application aims to solve this problem and provide a more efficient shopping experience. This web-based application is built with various features such as grouping items and calculating total shopping. Not only that, this application is able to remind users about their shopping list. With this feature, it will certainly make it easier for users to utilize their time as efficient as possible. Functional requirement. Functional number one, registration for users who want to use the system and do not have an account. Functional number two, login for user who want to use the system and already have account. Functional number three, user can manage shopping list. Functional number four, the system provide item to choose from that are grouped by category. Functional number five, the system is able to display item search result. Functional number six, the system is able to calculate the total shopping price in each shopping list. Functional number seven, the system provide notification about shopping to user. Functional number 8, logout for the user. Non-functional requirement. The system is capable for running for 24 hours non-stop unless their system is maintenance or system update. Response item is no more than 5 seconds. Language using English. The system must be easy to use. The system can be accessed on any platform or operating system that can run web-based application. Next, I return it to the moderator.
Okay, thanks to Zakwan for the point. So the second is progress with supporting evidence will be presented by Kila. For Kila, invited to speak.
Our achievements in this project are as shown in this slide. Our application is built according to the specified use case. Here is the ER diagram that we use as data modeling in building the TickMe application, where there are 5 entities that are interrelated. User can create an account, log in with an existing account, create a list, group item by category, search an item, find out the total shopping, and get notification. The last is logout. Next, I return it to the moderator.
Thank you to Kila for the points. The third point is the role and task that will be presented by each individual. For the first to present is Zakwan. For Zakwan is invited to speak.
In this project, my role is as front-end and back-end programmer. I was charged of creating several interfaces and compiling code for the server side. The output that I produced was the display to create list, item category, price calculation program, item search, and notification.
My name is Khairunisa. In this project, my role is as a design and technical writer. I was in charge of creating the TickMe app interface design as well as collecting technical information and compiling it into a manual book that is easily understood by users. The output I produced was the TickMe app interface design in the form of a landing page, sign up page, sign in page, category, add list, item category, add item, list item, notification, FAQ, and profile, and a manual book to provide information to users on how to use the TickMe app.
So the third is me. In this project, my role is a designer and front-end programmer. I design the interface of the application and create several interfaces. The output I produced was the application UI design as well as the appearance for the sign in, sign up, and the last is profile page.
Okay, my name is Sakila. In this project, my role is as an analyst and backend developer for the database. I was in charge of compiling PBL progress reports, identifying functional requirements, identifying data requirements, and creating database design. The output that I produced was a PBL progress report document, use case diagram, ER diagram, table structure, and database design with MySQL.
Okay, my name Pradipta Syahputra. In this project, my role as being a tester and back-end developer for the database component. My responsibility is to conduct testing for complete features and input item data. The outcome of my work comprise the application, testing result, and the item database within the category.
My name is Johan Sahalau Tapea. In this project, my role as a tester and front-end programmer. I am in charge of testing the application that have been created and creating several interface display. The output that I produce in the test result and FAQ display.
One of our member named Iqbal Sultan Atala has not been heard from in the last few weeks. We have tried to contact him, but there is still no answer. So after we consult with our Manpro, we remove his name from our group member.
The next point is a reflection that will be presented by Khairunisa. For Khairunisa is invited to speak.
On behalf of my group members, I will convey about our group reflection during one semester working on this mini PBL. The challenge we face in completing this project are because this is the first project and we have no previous experience in building an application, and also with limit time, therefore we have to focus on the main features and maximize our abilities so that the features can run according to plan. The learning gained while working on this mini PBL is the importance of good cooperation and communication between fellow group members, and the importance of consulting with Manpro or lecturers related to this PBL for smoothness in completing the project. The project gave us a lot of valuable learning and knowledge about web-based application development and the importance of teamwork. Although still in its early stage, this web-based application can help users organize their shopping activities more efficiently. For future projects, it is very important for us to do the further testing for improvements to the interface and features in this web-based application. Next, I return it to the moderator.
Thanks to Nisa for the point. All of our presentation. Sorry if there is less or wrong. I close our presentation here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.